Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your phone. Many gamers dream of taking their favorite console titles on the go, and with modern technology, this is entirely possible. We'll explore the various ways you can bring the intense action of Black Ops 6 to your mobile device, ensuring you don't miss a single moment of the battle. Get ready to transform your phone into a portable gaming powerhouse, enjoying high-fidelity action anywhere. Cloud gaming services offer a fantastic way to play Black Ops 6 without needing the game installed on your phone. These platforms stream the game directly from powerful servers to your device. For the best experience, you'll need a robust internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, and a good quality Bluetooth controller. This setup allows for smooth gameplay and precise control, mimicking a traditional console setup. Another excellent option is Remote Play, which lets you stream Black Ops 6 directly from your own console to your phone. Both PlayStation and Xbox offer dedicated apps for this. You'll need to ensure your phone is connected to the same local network as your console. Optimizing your home Wi-Fi, perhaps by using a 5 GHz band, will significantly reduce latency and provide a much smoother, more responsive gaming session. To truly maximize your mobile Black Ops 6 experience, a few key tips are crucial. First, invest in a high-quality mobile controller. It makes a huge difference for aiming and movement. Second, always connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for superior speed and stability. Finally, don't forget to adjust the in-game graphics and input settings to perfectly suit your phone screen and your personal preferences. Enjoy the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.